Alright, what is going on, everyone? Hope everyone having a fantastic morning so far. And by the look of the title, you guys can see, yes, this is going to be our last YouTube live stream. I know this is a bit of a sad day for some of us, including myself. I've been doing these live streams on YouTube for about 2 years now, since I think the middle of 2018. I've been doing these live streams for on YouTube, so it is a little bit of a sad day. But Monday we'll start a new chapter for for some of us. We'll be moving over to the website, and I will be streaming through my website. So that being said, let's see what we have. Let's see what we have this morning going on in the small cap market. This week has been a little bit of a weird week for me. Just a lot going on. Just haven't been able to trade a few times this week, and just been a little bit of on and off week for me. So today's kind of the first day. I had excuse me, full time this morning to look around and really scatter myself. This pre-market, and so far looking at these top gainers, these top gappers this morning, nothing really I'm liking too much at the moment. NNVC, incredible move here on NNVC, just big time multi-day mover here. This is a virus stock here, 2 million in float. This is the pack leader of the virus stocks. VXRT, new one, just came out with some virus news as well. Sub $1 place doesn't really meet my criteria too much, and the volume could be better for a sub 1 million. A sub $1 float, sub $1 play stock. So not liking that one too much. LLIT, another one. So you guys can see a lot of plays this week have just been these virus plays, and they're all multi-day runners. So it does make it a little bit tricky, especially for me. You guys know how I like to trade. I like to usually trade day one stocks, day one low float stocks, and a lot of these plays are multi-day movers, right? Multi-day movers. Another one, CBLI, another multi-day mover here. So across the board here, nothing really, guys, I'm liking too much. Nothing really I'm liking too much. Nothing really lines up to my criteria. I don't know how I like to trade. CPSH here, low volume mover, 9 million in float stock. So yeah, nothing's really on my watch list, guys. To be honest, I'll be watching NNVC. I'll be commentating this one. I think this one definitely could present some really good scalping opportunity. This thing is possible. That we could see this thing. It would not surprise me to see NNVC guys go to 50, $70. This could be that play that we could see go on a big time squeeze. It already has, but it would not surprise me to see this thing continue to go on up even higher on NNVC. So don't be surprised if this thing goes to $50. Obviously, I'm not saying it will, but it does have that potential, right? 2 million float stock, is the pack leader of these virus stocks, and we've seen it before. We've seen it happen, on shippers. We've seen it on these sector plays that pack leader, has big time potential to go on a massive move, and so far we have been seeing that here in NNVC. Good range, low float stock, so definitely going to be our top watch this morning. Just looking around, guys. Just looking around. Let's see CBLI. Anything else I'm missing here? Workhorse came out with some news yesterday too. It had some insider buying as well. Alright, guys, yeah, that's really it. Nothing really on the watch list. NNVC definitely a top watch this morning. Give me 1 second, guys. Alright guys, I'm back. Let's see. Stop by, you're gonna screenshot all this? Alright, man. Yeah, it's definitely gonna be a little bit of a sad day. It's, like I said, it's gonna be a little bit of a sad day, sad stream. The website links gonna be in the description. And just a heads up, the website is undergoing some maintenance at the moment. So I believe the free trial form is not working at the moment. So if anyone's interested in doing a free trial, just shoot me an email. My email is in the description of the video. It's velocitytrading@yahoo.com. So if you guys are interested in a free trial, shoot me an email. But everything should be working. If you purchase a plan, everything should be working. The video library will be up by Sunday, so we'll have a bunch of videos up there by Sunday night. So Monday, our first day, we have everything ready to go. Definitely exciting. Workhorse. Workhorse did have some insider buying. If you go on BAM SEC, you could check it there. All right, guys. If you guys have any tickers, anything else I'm missing, just let me know. I'll be watching NNVC this morning. VXRT, I'll also be keeping this one on watch. Remember, guys, I always say this, you don't have to trade every single day. If there's nothing you're liking, nothing meeting up to your criteria, there's no reason to trade, right? There's no reason to trade. Why force something if there's no edge? We're not here to gamble. We're here to trade 70-30s, 80-20s. I'm not here to jump in NNVC, multi-day mover, coming up to $20. It's just not in my criteria. Doesn't meet my criteria for long. So I don't want to force a stupid trade, right? No reason to trade every single day. Same thing with VXRT. It's a sub $1 play. If it goes, it goes. Good for VXRT. But I don't want to be writing in my trading journal tonight that I made a mistake, right? And I broke some rules. Because a lot of my losses, guys, comes from when I deviate from my process, when I trade stocks off my criteria, and also anticipating a lot, right? I got to cut back on the anticipation trades. I take a lot of losses on anticipating trades. Got to be willing and be waiting for more confirmation, right? All right, we have some time here. It's only 9:19. Only 9:19. We got some time here. What time will you be online in the chat room? Same time. Live streams gonna be run the same way. You're gonna hop on 9:05, 9:10. Go to around 10:30, 11. If it's hot, I'll stay on a little bit longer, and we'll head back into our Discord. I encourage you guys to go watch our last video I put out. It's called Velocity Trading Benefits, and it's gonna give you guys all the benefits you'll receive from purchasing a plan through Velocity Trading. CPSH, thinly traded stock. I think I went over that. Yeah, top gainer right now. Yeah, super light volume here. Super light. You can look at the daily chart. Very thin name here. Yeah, it's too light at the moment for myself, but I'll keep it on watch. 9 million in float stock. I'll keep it on watch, without a doubt. Same thing, Ray. Same thing. I'll be showing you guys my my screen share. I'll be calling out my trades when I get into them. We'll also have a alert section too, so I could alert you guys if I'm watching anything or anything like that. Go watch that video, guys. Go watch that last video. Explains everything. All the benefits you receive from purchasing a plan. I think it's like a 17-18 minute video, not too long. So definitely check it out. We also beefing up our Discord chat, so we'll have live a live news scanner in there. Preston, shout out to Preston's helping us out. He is in placing a Finvis scanner in there, so we'll have all the top gainers, top losers, stuff like that over in our Discord chat. So we're beefing up everything, guys. It's gonna be velocity trading, on steroids. I'm excited. Appreciate it, Ray. Thank you. How long the videos and website? Yeah, it's gonna vary. I think the longest video I recorded so far has been like 40 minutes. So 40 minutes, 18 minutes. But I'm only putting out a lot of videos in the video library. In the video, we mentioned that we have a minimum of 8 videos a week. So 8 videos posted there a week. You know, from options, small caps. We also had some moderators let me know that they want to post some videos for us too. So we're gonna be having Dennis upload some videos. I know you guys love Dennis. He'll be posting some some videos. He's recording his trades every single day, and he's doing like a voiceover on his trades. He's also said he's doing some daily recaps. I know Trading Penny's mentioned to me that he'll upload some videos from us. So it's gonna be good, guys. We're gonna have a lot of content. A lot of people, helping out and help grow this community, make it the best trading community out there. I mean, it already is, in my opinion. All right, guys. So 8 more minutes till we open on up here. You guys can see it's a little bit of a slow pre-market, right? I mean, other than NNVC, which not really in play. I mean, CPH also not really in play. I mean, we have VXRT up 41%, but nothing I'm liking across the board, guys. Not really liking NNVC, CPH, light volume, VXRT, cheap stock. A lot of these multi-day virus runners. So we'll see, guys. We'll see if anything hits the scanners. I'd love to get in the trade, but I'm not gonna force anything. Like I said, it's been a slow week for myself. Just had a lot going on. Wasn't able to really, zone in some of these days on my trading. Today was like really my first day this week, being able to super, zone in this morning and just not seeing anything at the moment that I'm liking. All right. Let's see. I don't think bigger than the P&L is my arms. Getting those gains in there, stock block. Sterling Trader. I could do videos on what not to do. Yeah, I mean, if you guys, want to, post a video. Obviously, I'm not gonna let every single person post a video, but if anyone who wants to help contribute, post a video. Just let me know. I could run it by you. We could talk, and could see if I could get an uploaded video from some of you guys. Obviously, if you want to, it's totally up to you. You don't have to, of course. What's going on, Mo? AEMD. Let's see what we got going on here. AEMD. Sorry, it looks like it's starting to break out here on the daily. A little bit extended though, a little bit of an extended chart here. It would have been nice, if we caught it around, we saw this chart around maybe $1.30. Had this nice gap to fill up to this 180 mark. Now $4, a little bit high here on the chart, but if we get over this $5 mark, we could see it, continue to rise on up here on AEMD. So we'll see if we get over this 200-day moving average coming on up. Preston, I can make you some short selling guys. Yeah, Preston, if you want, let's chat in Discord. Let's chat in Discord, Preston. Could throw you guys a few bucks for it too. Throw you a few bucks there, Preston. You want to help out, record some videos. Yeah, George, looks like it is a little bit of a slower morning, right? A little bit of a slower morning. We'll probably just chat together this morning. Mark's about to open up in about 4 minutes here. And just curious, I want to take like a little bit of a, not really a poll, but I just want to ask you guys a question. Could do it now or we could do it later. No, we'll do it now. I mean, you know, it's slow. I mean, I'm not seeing anything I'm gonna be getting involved with at the moment. So if you guys don't mind telling me, how long have you been watching these live streams for? I'm just curious. I want to see, you know, how long you've been guys watching these live streams for. Just curious. I want to see how long you guys been here for. So if you guys don't mind writing chat, just say, you know, been watching me for 2 weeks, a week, 3 months, a year. So if you guys don't mind just writing in chat there, how long you've been watching these streams for. 8 months, wow. Respect. Rob, 7 months, 4 months, 2 months, 3 months. Awesome. That makes me happy, guys. It makes me happy that, you know, you guys been you watching these streams for so long. September every single day. Wow. Ryan Nelson, 8 months. Wow. Dreambox, 8 months, 2 months. Hey, Ricky, 1 year. Looks like Ricky holds the crown right now for a year. 30 months? Hellbot, really? So you've been watching us from the beginning then, Hellbot. You've been watching our stream since I was here with Alex. That's crazy. If you guys been watching me with Alex, shout out to you guys. I'll send you a Velocity t-shirt. I mean, if you guys, you know, could prove to me that you've been watching us from the beginning, I will send you a t-shirt. Rollins, 2 years. Awesome. That means so much to me, guys, that, you know, I've been able to help you guys out. You know, I hope I was able to help you guys out. Whether or not you guys are going to move on to us, you know, on the new website, I hope I was able to make an impact in your trading and help out some way possible. Cool stuff, guys. Cool stuff that makes me very happy. Felt like I did my job. I was almost feeling like I failed as a teacher, you know. You know, I know a lot of you guys are spreading hate and stuff like that, but, you know, I'm very happy that I was able to make an impact, right? I was making an impact, you know, on this free service, and looking forward for, you know, next week. But all right, guys, market's open. Let's lock in. Let's see what we got going on here. All right, here we go. CPSH. Put up another level 2. Here comes VXRT, that $1 stock. Did have news related to the virus, so we could check out. We could put on the bottom level 2. We could check out the CPSH here. Light volume mover. All right, yeah, Peyton Carter. Yeah, I'm gonna go back and look, and if I see you were typing here on our first stream, I will 100% send you a free T-shirt, man. That's incredible that you've been watching us from our first live stream. That is incredible. Thank you, Jeremiah. Happy I was able to you know, help out in some type of way. CPSH, moving on up here. Light volume mover. always want to be careful, guys, with these light volume movers, right? These are always chat bumps' favorite targets. They love these plays. They get excited when they see something that has low volume. Why? It's easy to pump, right? It's easy to pump something like this. So this will definitely, without a doubt, be a chat target, right? And that happened with our other play that other day. Can't remember the ticker, but we were in a play, and I know it got hit by a chat part, because I actually went to check. If it got hit by a chat room, and I checked, I'm like, yep, it got hit by a chat room, and it came right back on down. So we'll see. We'll see here on CPAH, remember? On CPSH, excuse me. If it's strong, it'll prove itself, right? No reason to rush, no reason to jump in right away. Let the stock prove itself that it's going to be strong. If it pulls back, you'll see it soak and hold, right? If it's a chat pump, it'll come straight back on down. It won't really, bounce around the support lines. And it'll put in something like this, an upper shadow and a nasty red candle back on down. CBLI. Yeah, this is another one of these, another one of the virus movers holding on up here. NNVC. So let's keep an eye on the tape here on CPSH. Keep it on close watch here. All right. Let's see what we got going on. CPSH. See if we could hold this $2 mark here on CPSH. All right, let's see CPSH here. Once again, this tape looks a lot like some of the plays, and like I said, I haven't been here every single day this week. There's been having a lot going on with the website, just getting it prepared all for Monday. But CPH, this tape reminds me a lot of some of these plays I've seen this week. Just a very thin tape, lacks strength on the bids. So I've been seeing the same type of tape all week. At least from what I've been seeing on some of these plays, right? So, it's not seeing a strong price action here on CPSH at the moment. Obviously, things can change. Sometimes these manipulators, they like to make it look weak and then rip it up on you. But so far, for what I'm seeing here on CPSH, price action is looking a little weak here at the moment. Alright, let's see what else we got going on here. NNVC. Some upper shadows there to the open, coming back on down here in NNVC. There it goes, CPSH, CPSH, back on down, guys, coming back on down here. So let's see, what do I have the backside around? Say right around this 170, below 170. You guys want to play it safe, maybe this 150 area. But just not something I'm going to be getting involved with. Unless things dramatically change here on CPSH, just not something I'm going to be getting myself involved with. Let's see. Arthur made 600 on NNVC. Nice, Arthur. You've been killing it this week, man. I've been seeing you make some big-time props this week. Congrats. LLIT, get lit. I don't know, man. You tell me. You tell me, Clint. Is LLIT going to get lit here? At the moment, it does not look lit at all. I mean, look at the volume here. Not seeing it at the moment here on LLIT. Maybe it makes a red to green move. Base above 3. Maybe we'll see some action then. But right now, not seeing it at the moment. DYND, guys, looks like getting pumped here. Be careful. Light volume mover. Exactly, Ricky, exactly. Elba. I mean, I gave a lot of gems already. Kind of hard to think some off the top of your head, right? But I mean, I've given as much as I can to you guys without, laying out my strategies, right? All right, Meester. A little bit of a risky trade right there, but hey, congrats to you, man. Yeah, Meester's been here for a very long time. Oh, he's active in chat. Yeah, I'm gonna miss you guys too. I really wish you guys the best. I mean, these live streams will always be up. I'm not gonna delete them, right? I'm not gonna delete them. If you guys want to go back and look at the old live streams, they'll always be here, right? I'm not gonna delete the live streams. Of course, Carlos. I'm not gonna be running a a paid service and not be giving away my strategies. Of course I will. Of course. Yeah, the videos I already pre-recorded are some of my strategy videos. I already recorded the watch, trap, and squeeze pattern video. I recorded some of my short strategies. So yeah, they'll all be there on the website. Look at that! Look at that big soak right there, guys. That's what we call right here, guys. This is a soak, right? I didn't see it on the tape, but when you see a quick wick down and an immediate snapback, I mean, this is someone's buying these dips, right? Someone's buying these dips. This is what you call a soaking candle here. A long lower shadow there being bought up, ripping back on up. So not surprising to see that. And this is what you want to see. If you guys are playing these multi-day runners, you want to be getting in on a week open, right? You want to be getting in on a week open. Very, very dangerous to buy, multi-day runner, at the top, right? Because I mean, it's already overextended. So if you're buying this thing, they'll be supporting it on the dips. If it's strong, they'll support it on the dips, and you can see big hands here, big institution, big money traders supporting this thing on the dips, ripping it back on up there on CBLI, right? So right there, that's a gem right there. Whoever asked me, that's a gem right there. I mean, I've given away so many gems, but that's one right there. Thank you, Sterling. Appreciate that. Means a lot to me, man. Appreciate that. Yeah. I definitely could have. I mean, I definitely could have started charging from day one, but that was never the original intention. The original intention was not to charge over time. Obviously we have a reason. We stated them in the videos, but it was never the intention to charge right away. I mean, excuse me, to not charge, in the beginning. I came into this just wanting to help out traders, right? Just wanted to help out traders, and just give away some free knowledge, because there were so many rooms out there that were charging ridiculous amounts, and from the start, the intention was to just give away some free knowledge. So, hope I was able to help you guys out. Alright, let's see. Nick, will you post your longs on the website? What do you mean? Post longs on the website? Yeah, every single day I'll be posting my my trade executions, my P&L, all that stuff in Discord, right? Like I usually do every single day. You'll see it in the daily trade report. If you guys want, I'll show it on the live stream. Oh yes, yeah, Arthur, yeah. I'll post my long strategies too. Yeah, like I said, I already recorded one of my long strategies, the watch trap and squeeze pattern. That video is already recorded and expected to be up by this weekend. And if any of you guys have questions, anything, you guys know where to find me. We have the email in the description, velocitytrading@yahoo.com. If you guys want to do a phone call, if you guys want to talk to me about, more in depth about, what we'll offer on the new website, shoot me a call on Discord. But don't just spam me and call me, but just message me. Say, hey, Nick, I want to do a phone call. I'm, potentially interested in doing a free trial or purchasing a plan. I'm always open to talking with you guys and giving, answering any of your guys' questions. Let's see. Ariel, let's see. Are you going to have free classes? What do you mean, free classes? I'm not sure you mean by that. Definitely, guys, go watch that last video we put out. The benefits that you'll be receiving for purchasing a plan. But yeah, I mean, like I said, every single day, I'll be doing the live stream of commentary. I'm open to doing phone calls with you guys on the new website. I used to charge a lot for any sort of call with me, but now I'm offering that for free on the website. So you guys will be getting a lot. You guys will be getting a lot for what you're paying for. There's rooms out there, like I say, that would charge like $300-$400 for something like this, right? We're charging $90. And you get, that's just for the monthly. If you use it 20% off, it comes out to like $72, I think. So we're offering a lot, guys. I think the prices are very fair in my opinion. I understand some of you guys can't afford it, and like I've been saying this week, I wish you guys the absolute best. Rollins, yeah, anything, man. If you guys want to talk about life, I mean, that's fine. I mean, however you guys want to use your time on a call, I really don't care. I really don't care. I want to interact with you guys, right? I mean, I'm not just here to stream and then just doze off and do whatever the heck I want for the rest of the day. I want to interact with my members, right? Interact with my people. Oh, okay. Am I gonna be doing classes within the service? Got you. That's something that we aren't gonna do right away. Not gonna do that right away at the moment. Like having like additional like classes. Uh, I think you're talking about the one-on-one type thing. Yeah, it's not something we're gonna do right away. Alex and I did discuss that. We may offer that, down the line, but just at the moment, that's not something we're gonna offer right away. All right, here we go, guys. LLIT, guys. You can see back over 3. So here we go, guys. LLIT starting to squeeze here, 326. So you can see big time volume moved in as we broke $3. You can see, volume definitely looked, very light here. Started putting in some higher lows here on LIT, and we got a nice rip on up here. Let's see if this thing starts to hold on pullbacks. It could definitely be seeing much higher here. Definitely seeing much higher here. Like I've been saying all week, I said it from the beginning of this week, and I see some of you guys are still shorting like NNVC. Don't fight these sector plays. These are very tricky shorts. When you're fighting, sector plays, especially if something's going on, that's of importance, around the world, and you're fighting these sector plays on the short side, it's very dangerous. Very dangerous. So I'm sure every single short got absolutely crushed this week, and I gave everyone a heads up this week that I would not be shorting any of these virus names at all. Maybe for a quick scalp, but man, if you're looking for a swing short or holding this short, gotta be careful. I mean, like I said in the pre-market, this thing could hit $50 on NNVC. It definitely could. It has that potential. How many people signed up already? I think it was in the I think it was like high 30s, or maybe low 40s. But guys, some people got like a free trial, or they paid and they didn't join the Discord, right? They didn't join the Discord. Like I said, guys, if you did not receive the Discord invite link, please DM me. Please DM me. I know sometimes it was going to the spam mail. I think that was the problem. For some reason, it went to spam, the invite link. So please DM me if you guys have purchased a plan or a free trial and have not yet received a Discord invite link. Yeah, Sterling. I agree with that. I don't want to say any names, but yeah, guys, there's services out there charging double, even triple the amount we're offering, and they offer nowhere close to what we're offering. Do you think that Tim Sykes is gonna hop on a phone call with you? No, Tim Sykes is. I know he cares for his dudes, but Tim Sykes does not want to take his time out of his day and have a phone call every single day with members. I mean, shout out to Tim Sykes. He's the GOAT. He really popularized day trading, but I don't think Tim Sykes is going to be talking to anyone or Ducks or any of these guys on the phone with you guys. I mean, we're offering a lot, and that's just one thing. They're not live streaming. People are just calling out alerts. Well, we're offering a lot here. Thank you so much, Sergio. I appreciate that, man. That makes me very happy. You guys are funny. That's funny. I don't want to call out any names, but I'm sure you guys know who I'm referring to, right? I'm sure you guys know who I'm referring to. Yeah, exactly. I mean, honestly, guys, I really, I really don't care, how many people, I'm trading with. I just want to trade with serious people. That's really it. I just want to trade with serious people. Uh, that's a big thing, right? I mean, there's just too many trolls, too many people not taking it serious in the free chat, and I mean, you guys could see it this week, right? It was a little upsetting, right? A little upsetting, seeing people, behave, in that Discord that I've grown the last 2 years. So in the new room, I really just want to be trading with serious people, and what I mean by that, I'm not like trying to say, oh, if you're a beginner trader, not anyone could be serious, right? It should be your first day. You could be your first day trading, and you could be a serious trader, right? I don't mean that, oh, you got to be experienced to be serious. No, that's not what I mean. You guys could be your first week trading, and if you're serious, I want to work with you. I 100% want to work with you. I want to work with people who are willing to work hard, study, and be dedicated to their craft, right? I mean, those are the people I want to work with, and I think that's going to improve my trading too. Surrounding yourself with, you know, people who are willing to work hard and want to get better at what they do. It's going to rub off on you, right? It's going to rub off on you. Not people being toxic in this other room. I mean, I don't want that, guys. I don't want that. I want to grow a good, genuine community here at Velocity. All right, let's see. Get back to trading a little bit. A lot of rambling, right? I kind of expected that to happen a little bit though today. It's still a slow day. DYNT still holding up after this move on up. DYNT still holding on up. SNDX, LLIT. Look at that. $3 starting the base here. Could be seeing a next leg here on LLIT. $3 starting the base a little bit here. Starting to hold on these pullbacks. You give this one a look. You guys see CPSH. See, guys, we saw this, right? We saw this in real time. We saw this was a pump. We spotted it out. We saw the tape look sketchy, right? I mean, this is just how you could read the tape and just, seeing that, it's not a truly strong play, right? It's most likely, fake volume created by a chat room, right? This is artificial volume created by a chat room on CPSH. We want to trade real volume stocks. NNVC continuing to hit some new lows here. NNVC starting to come back down a little bit. Yeah, and that's why we don't want to chase these multi-day movers, especially on an upside, right? If you got a weak open, something like an LLT, yeah, could present a good opportunity. But I mean, buying these things buying these things on the breakout, buying them at the top, never a smart idea. And that goes for a day one move too, right? Goes for a day one move as well. Let's see. Josephine, hope I'm pronouncing your name correctly. The links in the description. Links in the description for the website. Promo codes there. And we also do have a video we just put out, explaining to you the benefits and everything you will receive by purchasing a plan. If you still need any more information, you could email me. If you want to talk, like I said, I'll talk to you on the phone if you want. Give me 1 second, guys. All right, let's see. Let's see. KK0491. All right, awesome. Like I said, guys, I'm very happy I was able to assist and help you improve your trading. It means a lot to me. It really does mean a lot to me. All right. Yeah, be careful this morning, guys. Be careful. No reason to trade every single day. There's nothing I am liking this morning for a long, right? There's nothing here that I see that meets my criteria for a long. And I love it. And I love seeing you guys post your P&Ls that say $0, no trades. I mean, that makes me happy. That means that you guys are being disciplined as a trader. And that's going to take you a long way in this game. It's going to take you a long way in this game, being disciplined and only sticking to good quality setups. Yeah, if you're ever in the area, hit me up. If you're ever in there, hit me up. We also put two in the, I don't know if you guys saw it. We also put two in the last video we made that, we want to do some meetups. We want to do some meetups, going forward. Alex and I have been discussing, and maybe this summer, guys, maybe this summer coming up in New York City, we may do some sort of, meetup. I would love to meet up with you guys and meet you all. I've been talking to you guys, for 2 years here, and I haven't been able to see any of you guys' faces. I don't even know what you guys look like, so I definitely want to do some velocity meetups coming on up. So, it's exciting, guys. Big things are coming. Big things are coming. Like I said, it's gonna be velocity, beefed up. Thank you for the kind words, Phil. Thank you for the kind words. Appreciate that. All right, guys, I'm back. Let's see. Yeah, it is exciting, guys. I love starting new things and taking on new challenges. It definitely excites me, right? It's just the type of guy I am. I'm very competitive. In anything, sports, trading, and trading's like a different type of competitiveness, right? Because you really have to master your like emotions and yourself, right? It's you know a lot of other type of things where you bring out that competitiveness. Your emotions come out. You get all this excitement and overcomes you. But trading different, right? You gotta suppress that. And that's a challenge of itself. So, uh, it's fun. Also, BJ going to free trial and planning to join the week after. Yeah, awesome, man. Happy to have you on board. Looking forward to next week. Let's see. Tell us about your path to self mastery. Oof. I don't know, Phil. I think we'll save that for another day. I think we'll save that one for another day. I mean, that'd be getting really deep into things, right? I would definitely like to touch up on that eventually, but save that for another day. CODX. CODX moving on up. Let's see. All right, George. Have a fantastic weekend, man. George, I believe you did. You bought a plan, right, George? You tried a free trial, so I'll definitely see you. Definitely see you on Monday then. Thank you, Phil. I appreciate that, man. Yeah, I do get that a lot. Just trading. I guess trading just matured me a lot, right? Trading has matured me a lot. Yes, BJ, man. Mamba mentality, 100%. Kobe was a big inspiration for me. Awesome, George. Yep, I'll see you Monday, man. And if you guys, like I said, I'll mention it again in case you guys missed it. Uh, website is under some maintenance at the moment, so if you guys are looking to get a free trial, you could try it out. But at the moment, I think the free trial form is currently not working. The website's going under some maintenance at the moment, so just shoot me an email. I'll hook you guys up with a free trial. My email's in the description, and it's on the website. Yeah, 100% Preston, dude. 100%. It's and you can't let your ego get to you, right? You definitely feel like you're on top of the world. Making $5,000 in a day, right? Making $7,000 in a day. You feel like you're on top of the world, but you can't have the mentality. You can't think like that. You gotta approach every single day the same way you did the prior day. Win or loss, doesn't matter how much you make, doesn't matter how much you lose. You just gotta go into the day with that same mindset, like you have every single day. If you take a $5,000 loss, you can't come into the day tomorrow saying, I need to make back my money. You can't have that mentality. That's just going to, spiral your trading into a downwards pit. So you got to attack every single day with the same mindset. Win or lose the prior day. The next day is a clean slate. That's the mentality you guys have to have. And it's hard. It is hard, right? I mean, it's very difficult, but it's something that you got to master. Let's see, VXRT. VXRT coming back on up. Put it in a higher low. Reclaim that $1 mark. Testing these highs. Some nice volume too on this push right here. Some nice volume on this push. Yes, guys, the website, everything's in the description. Everything's in the description below. The link, the promo code, everything's there. And go watch our last video. If you guys, are thinking about purchasing a plan or a free trial or whatever, just check out our last video. Lots explained in there. And if you still have questions, just DM me. I know I've repeated this a few times, but just for those people who may have missed it. So right now, guys, 10:06 at the moment. No reason to hop off just yet. So just want to stick around for a little bit longer here. Let's see how these top gainers are looking. CPSH fading here, light volume. VXRT retesting these highs. We could put VXRT on the bottom level 2 right here. VXRT on the bottom level 2. NNVC trying to get back on up. Found some support around this 1550 area. Now retesting VWAP at the moment. LLIT still holding above this $3 mark. Continuing to base over 3. But like I said, guys, be careful on these plays. Very overextended here in the daily. You could easily get a rug pull here that could drop 30-40 cents on you. So always gotta be smart when playing these multi-day runners. You got to attack them differently. Got to attack these plays differently. I mentioned to you guys earlier how I like to attack these multi-day movers. Look for that weak open to join trend, right? All right, let's see. Any questions, guys? Questions? Anything else from me? Awesome, Rob. Happy to continue to have you on this journey with us. I'm looking forward to continue to work with you. If you didn't receive the Discord link, check the spam mail, and if you didn't get it in the spam mail, Rob, just shoot me an email, and I'll shoot that Discord link over to you. Exactly, Sockbach. Have a great weekend. Have a great weekend, man. I'll see you here Monday. Well, not here. I'll see you on the website Monday, man. Enjoy your weekend. Here we go, guys. Here's VXRT testing these highs, coming up to 114 here. So we'll be at 10-11 at the moment. Man, it's gonna be weird not on YouTube Monday. It's gonna be weird. Just thinking about it. So used to saying, see you guys back here on Monday morning, but we won't be here. We'll be on the website. So a little bit pressed and a little bit, man. Starting to get to me because coming down to the end of this live stream, right? On YouTube. Been doing this for 2 years on YouTube. 2 years. Never missed a day. Well, we did miss those. We did take off 3 months. Alex wanted to go full time with options, so we did take off 3 months. But besides that, I mean, we 2 straight years and never missed a day. I mean, unless I was sick or took a little vacation, but yeah. Exactly, Carlos. Yeah, that's just how I'm looking at it, right? That's how I'm looking at it. It's a new chapter, and it's gonna continue to get better, guys. We're gonna ramp up, beef up, everything going forward with velocity. All right, let's see what else we got going on here, guys. VXRT coming up to these highs. NNVC. NNVC, guys, back overview up here. Back overview up here in NNVC. Trying to make this red to green move here. Trying to make this red to green move here. People get confused, right? I mean, people get confused, The red to green move is when, it has a drop right out of the open, right? It has a drop right out of the open. Oh, but I didn't even see these wicks. Okay. I was going to say, because the red to green move, I got this question a few times. Red to green move is when it just dumps at the open, right? It doesn't even, get a pop. So it goes, red to green. It's a red to green move. But the wash trap and squeeze pattern, is a little bit different, right? A little bit different. Some people ask me that. Thank you, Stan. I'm happy to continue working with you and guiding you and teaching you. I will do my absolute best, guys. I'm going to do my absolute best. Thank you, KK. I need that spirit bomb energy from you, 100%. Yeah, like I said, it's a new challenge, right? It's a new challenge. I'm gonna be a business owner, and it's gonna be a challenge for me to grow to the best of my ability to make this the best community possible. I mean, that's my goal. Make this the best possible community out there. And I think you guys speak for yourselves, but in my opinion, I think we 100% had the best free community out there. 100%. I don't think you'll find a better free community than we had at Velocity Trading. So now my goal is to make the paid version the best possible day trading community out there. And I will accomplish it, guys. I will accomplish it. And I'm going to give you guys all my knowledge. Alex will give you guys all his knowledge. Jimmy, all of us here. It's exciting, guys. Very exciting times. Awesome, Ariel. Let's do it, man. You're in. Let's do it, guys. Let's do it. Stan, the links in the description. Right there, the Velocity Trading website. If you go under pricing, that's where our plans are, and don't forget to use the promo code. I had someone buy a yearly and he didn't even use the promo code. But don't worry, I gave him the money back that he should have the extra money that he shouldn't have paid. But yeah, don't forget to use that promo code, guys. All right, Jeremiah, I'll see you here Monday on the website. Have a great weekend. CPSH looking for a bounce. Let's see. Yeah, I don't know what you're seeing there, Sterling. Doesn't look like it's getting much of a bounce, but a little bit. Couple cents. It's probably some shorts covering. Here's VXRT too. New highs there on VXRT. Everything's in the description, guys. Everything is in the description. It's Velocity in caps 2020. Velocity 2020 in caps. All right, guys. Give me 1 minute here. Give me a second. All right, guys. I'm back here. Let's see. LOIT backside. Yeah, I would say below this. I would say 270. I would say below 270 would be backside. Yep. Good eye there, BJ. CBLI. Nice little breakout here on CBLI. CBLI. 409. NNVC. Alright, guys, I definitely want to open up these last like 10, 15 minutes or so to you guys for the questions, anything you guys want. You guys have any last things for me too? You know, I understand not every single person will be coming forward with us. So even for those who aren't, you know, if you have questions for me, I still want to help you guys out. So I'm definitely going to open up these last 10 minutes, 15 minutes or so to questions. What do we have? 115 of you guys watching here. Shout out to you guys. All 115 of you guys. Shout out to you guys. I mean, you guys are amazing for sticking through with us, you know, all this time. So respect to all you guys continuing to watch the stream to the end. And we'll be back over onto the website Monday. SNDX. Volume's a little light there, Sterling. Volume's a little light. A little light there on the volume on SNDX. let's see, AHPI. There's AHPI. We talked about this one on light volume, though. Really light volume here. HPI. We talked about this one a few days ago, I remember. On AHPI. And here comes TBLI. So new high is 425. Excuse me, 430. How do you handle emotional side of trading, like taking a trade? Just give me 1 second. I'll answer that in just a second here. Alright, let's see. Alright, so how do I handle the emotional side of trading, taking a trade? You know, it's our job, right? It's our job, Helba. I mean, this is our job. I mean, I always use this reference, but, do you think Tom Brady's, scared to get hit, by, you think that's going through his head when Tom Brady's, drop back to look back pass? No, he's locked in. He's in the zone, right? Tom Brady's in the zone, looking to, make a pass to his wide receiver or hand it off on his running back. He's not concerned about, being scared of getting hit, right? You're going to take hits in trading, guys. You're going to take losses. It's part of the game. That's just one thing. There's multiple things, on how you could help, handle, the emotional side of trading. And there's a lot of emotional things, too, in trading. I mean, that's just one of them, the fear of losing. I know it's always, the biggest one, the fear of losing. Another way you can help the fear of losing is just, you got to be okay. You got to be okay. If you guys are having a small account, $2,000-$3,000 in your account, you have to tell yourself, I am perfectly fine losing my whole account. If you don't, you're not fine willing to lose your whole account. I'm telling you, it's going to be very hard to grow that account, because when you start taking little losses, and that P&L starts to come back on down to maybe where you started your balance at, it's gonna mess with you emotionally, right? It's gonna mess with you emotionally, so you have to be willing to lose your your whole account, and it may be tough. For you to accept that, but you have to. That's how I grew my account. I was like you guys. Starting off $4,000, my account at the first dipped to $3,000. And I kept on saying, I don't want to drop under 3,000. I can't. I don't want to see tomorrow 2,900, right? And that messed with me. And it took me, a little bit to, accept. Okay, if I lose $3,000, is what it is, right? Is what it is. Because, if I didn't tell myself that I'm fine with that, every day I would just think about the P&L, the money, and I wouldn't be able to trade properly, right? Wouldn't be able to wait for my exit targets. I wouldn't wait for my stop losses. I would sell early, right? Or I would take profits early. And then once I overcame that, I was able to see the growth. I was seeing that I was letting my winners run to my exit targets. I wasn't stopping out before my stop loss hit. So I hope that helps, man. I hope those helps. That's just some of the ways. I mean, that question is pretty broad, right? I mean, I was just kind of helping you out. Maybe the fear of losing. But, I mean, there's a lot you could talk about that. I mean, just having a proven system, right? Having a winning system in place, back testing your strategies, your trades. There should be no fear, right? No fear. I mean, it's just systematic, right? Like a sniper, right? Like you're in war. I mean, just got to pull the trigger. I mean, I have a system in place. I have strategies I use. I have so much confidence in my trading. When I see a good setup, I have no hesitation at all to pull the trigger and get in. None whatsoever, right? See my setup happening, wash, wrap, and squeeze pattern. Criteria lines up, boom, boom, boom. I'm pulling the trigger, guys. I'm taking the trade, right? No fear at all, confidence. Because I know it works. I've proven, statistically proven hundreds of trades that setup works for me. And after that, it's just playing the odds, just playing the 70-30s, playing the 80-20s, and in the long run, you'll be profitable. You got it, man. You got it. Happy to help. Was that you after the gem? There you go. There's your gem. Other people will just tell you, just follow my alerts. Just follow the alerts, right? I mean, that's what these other people are going to tell you guys. I'm telling you. These people are just going to be like, just take my alerts. Just take my alerts and you'll make money, right? It's not going to happen, guys. It's not going to work for you. I'm telling you. All right. What email do I email you for the Discord? In the description, it says velocitytrading@yahoo.com. I'll send you the email there. But did you get it? I think I just saw you join, Rob. Did you get the email? I wanna make sure that's working, guys. I wanna make sure that's working. Did you get it, Rob? If not, I'll shoot you an email. The profits that I make on a good day. I mean, a good day I make, 3,000-4,000 is a good day for me. That's a really good day for me. I would say on average maybe 1,000, 1,500 a day, 2,000, and those are my right my average. I mean, guys, I'm taking on average 5,000 shares. So I mean, 5,000 shares on CBLI, 4 or 5,000 shares. I mean, 20 cents, $1,000. So if I nail a 40-cent trade, it's 2,000 right there. And you don't need a ridiculous account, right? I tell you guys, I'm not trading with 300K in my account. I'm not trading with, not even trading with 200K. I'm trading between 50,000 to 100,000 on my account. And I'm perfectly fine. Yes, I could have more money in my account. Yes, I can have a $200,000 account, but this is where I'm comfortable at. Yes, I could take 10K shares, 15,000 shares, but this is where I'm comfortable at. I'm comfortable taking 4, 5, 6, 7,000 shares max, right? I mean, that's where I'm comfortable at. And just think about it, right? I mean, if you have a $4,000 account, you're in at 4. I'm just saying, or maybe you're in at 380. So 420, that's $400 right there. That's $400. I mean, you don't need a ridiculous account to make a lot of money on these small caps. I mean, these things have huge range. A lot of volatility, and if you use that correctly, I mean, you could make a lot of money with a small account. With a small account, you don't need much money. Alright guys, 10:30 guys. I think I'm going to give it another 5 minutes or so here. And I'll wrap up this stream. Give it another 5 minutes or so. So any last questions you guys have, get it all out on your chest now. I'll answer them for you. Any questions about the website, you guys know where to find me. I think someone asked in the Discord. Yes, guys, unfortunately the Discord will be closed by market close. So once the market closes today, that Discord will be closing too. We'll be moving to our new Discord. But I think I gotta talk to Preston, but I still believe you guys could DM me. So maybe you guys still have some questions and you want to message me or anything like that. I think you could still DM me. I'll talk to Preston. But if not, we have our email, velocitytrading@yahoo.com. We have a live chat too on the website. You guys could chat with me there. So there'll be ways you guys could find me. I'm not gonna disappear. I'll still be. You guys can still contact me. Okay, Preston just confirmed me. They could still DM me. Yeah. So if you guys have questions, you could still DM me. Alright, cool. He just messaged me in Discord. Yep, I'll answer you guys' DMs right after I end this live stream. Sorry about that, guys. Dogs. Gotta take the dog for a run after this. Wasn't able to take him much this week. Yep. Goodbye, the old velocity. Welcome to the new velocity. Yep. Moving to bigger and better things. Alright, guys. A few minutes here. A few minutes left on the stream. And I truly wish you guys all the best. I mean, even for those people who are disliking my video, I wish you the best. Hope I was able to help you in some sort of way in your trading. And good luck to you in your future trading, and just wish you future success. All of you guys. Yeah, in my 4 years of trading, I still never caught an offering on a short side. I still have never caught an offering on the short side. Hopefully one day I could get one, cause you guys know me. I don't like holding shorts, past lunch hours. So a lot of these offerings that happen towards the end of the day. So I'm usually out by the time they have an offering. Alright, so go join Livestream trading, man. Go ahead and go join him, man. Wish you the best, dude. I'm not telling any of you guys to buy. I mean, I'm not forcing you guys to buy, membership. It's totally up to you guys. You guys want to continue to learn from me and grow and help be in this community, go ahead and join. If not, I wish you the best. Appreciate it, Robert. Thank you so much. Have I got caught in the long? Yeah, I actually never got caught on the long side or an offering too. So surprising, right? Would think after 4 years I haven't got caught in one. I've got caught in like a I've got caught in like bad news came out. I think like a missed earnings or something, and it dropped on me, but never an offering. Awesome, Carter. I'll see you too on the new website. Exciting stuff, guys. So guys, another minute or two. I'm gonna get going here. Appreciate all the support, guys, these last 2 years on YouTube. And I'll those who continue with us, I'll see you guys on Monday on the website. So last minute, and I'm gonna end the live stream. And remember, guys, any questions, my email is here, velocitytrading@yahoo.com. You guys can still DM me on the old Discord. What's going to happen is just we're going to close it so no one could type in it, but, it's still going to be open for any DMs if you guys, have any questions for me or anything like that. But alright, guys, that's it. I'm going to end it here. I'm going to end this final stream on YouTube. See you there too, Ricky. Excited, happy to have you. But yeah, guys, that's it. I'm going to wrap up the stream. Thank you guys all so much for the support these last 2 years. It means so much to me. I'm happy I was able to make an impact and help you guys out in any sort of way. But yeah, guys, that's it. Monday, I'll see you guys on the website, and I'm out, guys. That's it. Peace.